Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In this tutorial, we are simplifying an exponential expression. So I just want us to begin by using this law of exponents that says a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m n. And we're just going to use that law on this part only. So we are going to have a to the power 3n minus 3. Then that will be multiplying a squared b to the power minus 2n, all being divided by a to the power 4 b squared to the power of minus n and a to the power of 3n. And then at this stage, I want us to use another law of exponents that says a multiplied by b to the power m is the same thing as a to the power m b to the power m. So I will use this law on these two other terms. So we are going to have a to the power 3n minus 3, then a squared to the power of that minus 2n, and b to the power of minus 2n. And then move on down to the denominator. We applied on that one. We are going to have a to the power 4, then to the power minus n, b squared, then to the power minus n, and a to the power 3n. Okay, now let's simplify what can be simplified. We are going to have a to the power 3n minus 3. A, you remember, again, we use that law. I've just written it up there. A to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So we're just going to use it here, there, and there, and there. Okay, so we're going to have a to the power minus 4n and b to the power minus 2n. And that is all being divided by a to the power minus 4n. And then we are going to have b to the power minus 2n, and then a to the power 3n. But now if you look at that expression, you can find that this a to the power minus 4n can just divide with that. They cancel off, and this one cancels off with that one. So we're going to remain with that part and that part. So we are going to have a to the power 3n minus 3 divided by a to the power of 3n. And then we are going to use this law of exponents that says a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So in this regard, we are going to have a to the power 3n minus 3 minus 3n. And that is going to give us a to the power minus 3. And therefore, we say that expression, when simplified, it becomes 1 over a to the power of 3. And then we've come to the end of this session. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.